Hi everyone, this is Hero from Scrappy Happy Crafts. I hope you all are doing great today. Today I have a quick video share for, so I have ordered this mini moo paper bag from Dress My Craft. I'm making a baby girl album and I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful these papers are. So before cutting them, I actually wanted to make a haul video for this. I did receive some other goodies as well. I'll show you in a bit, but let me start with the paper pack. So I'll show you the 12 by 12 and it is exact same for 6 by 6. It's just the mini version, and then I'll show you the motif sheets. So let me start with this paper pack, the 12 by 12 one, and guys, you will just love it. I'm sorry I just removed this paper so that I can easily flip through all the pages. So just look at this first page, guys. I'm just loving this, especially these two babies and the watercolor effect and this twinnies, and like it's so beautiful. So you will get 2 sheets of each design, and probably there are 24 papers, so 12 design. The second paper is, just look you guys, so elegant and so classic. The next is this one, and this paper pack is kind of neutral, so you can make it as a baby boy album or baby girl album in a scrapbook. So, and just look at this, a tiny baby hanging in the umbrella and then holding this tiny shoes. It's super cute. Wow. Some elements, animals, clouds, baby giraffe, bunnies, lion. It's super awesome. And the next one, it says, my mom loves me to the moon and back. And there's a baby slipping over the moon. And some floral effect, but it's blue, so it can it can go for baby boy and baby girl both. And the next one, it's kind of brown, but it's not exactly brown shade, but I don't know how to describe this color, but it's super awesome. It's beautiful. Another one is this one, green strips, baby love. There are some elements over here, and I am loving it. I'm just loving these papers. Another pink paper. The next is this super yellow. Like I just love this. Basically, I'm a yellow person. Wherever I see yellow, I just love everything. So it says my footprints, and there are 2 tiny footprints in the hand, and a baby sleeping again here. And these are some pearl strings, a baby in a pearl shell, some flowers here, stars. It cannot be complete with stars, right? So stars and blue color, like navy blue. And this was the last design, so now you will see 1 to 12 month tag sheets. So over here, there is a mistake in this 11-month spelling. So this is a spelling mistake here. And Shalini is super nice to send everybody who's ever received this paper pack with a mistake. They all are sent this another sheet, which comes with 2 11-month-old tag sheets with the correct spelling and some other baby elements, and then the other 2 tags as well. I love you to the moon and back, and mom's world. So these are like super awesome motif sheets. So that is our 12 by 12 paper. Let me show you motif sheets, and the 6 by 6 is exactly same as 12 by 12. So let me keep this aside. So here is our first sheet, and just look guys, it's super beautiful. This baby frog, flower cluster, shoes, baby foot, and some hoodie, and a baby sleeping here, a basket. Like everything is so well designed that it goes well with our paper pack. And the next one is this one, some toys, stars, moon, leaves, and the babies, and there are some sentiments here. So you can cut those sentiments and mount them on a black paper or something, black cardstock, or you can use as it is. I like to mount them on a black cardstock to make to highlight them, so that's what I'm going to do. But yeah, it's so gorgeous. And there are some shakers as well. I'll bring them in here. Here are the shakers. These tiny bottles have my heart. So let me start with my favorite one. This is my favorite. I hope I can zoom. Can I zoom in? I guess, yeah. It says Pink Sakura. This is my favorite. And why it is favorite, I'll tell you guys. Because it comes with such pearls as well. So these are like flowers, sprinklers, and pearls. And this is the reason it's my favorite. I guess it is 10 grams. I hope it is written here so I can tell you guys. No, it's 8 grams. Yeah, it's written here, 8 grams. So this is 8 gram. This is Pink Sakura mix. Another pink one is Pink Bunny. Super cute bunnies right here. So that's the next one. And you have to be careful, you might lose one because these are so tiny elements. So just be careful with it, guys. Next is this, which says multicolored stars. And all these shakers go well with our paper pack, Minimoo paper pack. So look at these tiny stars. Isn't it gorgeous? So this is our third shaker mix. Fourth one is this. This is my second favorite, which says lemon sprinkle. You'll find some lemons in it. You might have heard that saying, when life gives you lemon, make lemonade. I'm going to do that with this. So yeah, this is my second favorite. So tiny lemons or lime slices. So that's our fourth one. The fifth one is penguins and snowflake mix. So here you will find cute tiny penguins in there. I hope I took out one. Yes, right here. And some snowflakes and tiny penguin. I'm just loving it. I can see this whole day and play with it, like without using them, just taking out and putting it back. It's super cute. And the last one is this. This very well goes with male theme, which is playing cards. It's basically red and white. Red and black. So it's our cards, but it's super tiny. Isn't it beautiful? So that's what I have ordered from Dress My Craft, and I'm going to make a baby girl album from it. I show you guys soon, and we'll come up with other workshop videos, with other tutorial videos as well. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and wait for my next video. Bye for now.